to access a library of vector CADs is actually through Adobe, adobe.com. This is the Adobe Creative Cloud. You'll want to log in with your school account, and there's a couple windows you got to click to make sure you choose institution, not personal. You choose FCCC, not Rancho Santiago. So once you do get logged in correctly, you will be able to download Adobe Illustrator and other apps as well. And you can also access Adobe Stock. So you have to look for it. Mine's on the front page right now. But you can click search Adobe Stock, and here you can look for CADs as well. I typed in hoodie vector, and some hoodies come up. If there's one you think is good, okay, let's get this out. If you like it, you can license it, and then it says it's been licensed, and then you can download the vector, which is Adobe Illustrator. All these extensions will open in Adobe Illustrator. Click download. And voila, you have another download that you can now open in Adobe Illustrator to change. So you'll have to play around with what are good word searches. Maybe CAD's also really good. Maybe not, because you also get photographs of people using CAD. But anyways, I like using the word vector. But this is, let's see here, let's do vector, flat, garment. What comes up? Do a little search. And so all these garments you can open again in Adobe Illustrator. So this is another really great library you have access to.